Cockatoo Velocity Steel DC Motorized Treadmill. Free installation assistance. Warranty details: 3-year motor warranty, 1-year parts warranty and lifetime frame warranty. Technical feature: time, speed, distance, calorie, pulse, fat measure. Running SURFACE, LXB, 14. 5 watts x41 motor power 1.25 HP. Maximum user weight, 100 kg incline level, 3-level manual speed range, 0. 8-12 km HR belt thickness 1.5 mm. Display, 5 LCD display. Other feature: MP3, soft drop folding, heart rate, contact and telemetry enabled. Sales package: 1 treadmill. For any queries, installation and manufacturing defects, please contact us on +91 to 95,245 00088 from Montesat between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Advised to use voltage stabilizer for safety of motor. 12 preset workout programs for effective workout. Changeable mode will help to plan structured exercise. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.